Hey everyone, I'm Scott, and you know me as the Quilting Camper. Today we have a little bit of a different kind of video. Close to my heart, a stamping and scrapbooking business is closing their operations at the end of June of 2024. I want to share with you some ways to share kindness with your fellow makers, people who have spent their livelihoods developing their business, and how you can show love and support for them. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I am so glad you decided to join me on this special video of the Quilting Camper. I'm kind of in a solace sort of mood, and I don't know how to explain it, but when there is an end to something in our lives, it does sort of bring a little bit of sorrow, and it also can bring about change. And it's good change for some, and it may be a little bit of adaptability for others. And I don't know if you've heard, the company close to my heart, which has been in the scrapbooking and stamping business for almost 40 years, is decided to close their operations at the end of June of 2024. I'm not here to talk about the history and the wonders of this company, but I do want to take note that it is a significant company in the scrapbooking and stamping industry. A lot of you know that I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator. I take great pride in being a demonstrator for Stampin Up, and I can only imagine the makers that have created their livelihoods through Close to My Heart and what they're going to have to endure and change and adapt. All the money they have spent and all of the love and passion that they've put into their business has now have to be coming to an end. As you all know, when you work for a direct sales company, you build up an inventory, you have a lot of things. You have a lot of crafting tools, and you use it because you do workshops and you share your passion with your customers and you do videos like this. And I just want to take time to acknowledge the makers. I want to thank the makers of Close to My Heart for all the contribution and work that they have done to bring their business to the success of where they're at right now. Because those are the people that are losing their livelihoods. When you have a passion for something that you love and it's connected to a product that you represent, it's really hard to make a change in the way that you adapt. This video is about thanking the makers, showing some appreciation. As a reward to myself, I decided to do something unique and go on to the Close to My Heart website, find a local maker. I found one in Cedarburg, Wisconsin, because you guys know I'm in southeastern Wisconsin. And I ordered a bunch of things from them because there's some super cute stamp sets that were out for the summers. We're gonna do a fun little unboxing, show you the things that I got from Close to My Heart. I only spent $55 plus shipping and tax. Got some fun things to share with you. The person that I had chosen from Cedarburg, she sent me a thank you card. You guys, look at how cute that is. And she put a little personal note inside, which I won't read. And it just really, it brought me close to my heart. I'll be honest, this was such a touching thing. And I'm gonna send her an email with a link of this video. And I wanna thank her personally because Amy, you have made a difference in so many people's lives with what you do and how you share your creativity, and I want to thank you. Toward the end of this video, I'm going to do a little screen record over here on my iPad to show you how you can find your local makers for Close to My Heart and share some love with them. Order a couple things, maybe some ink pads or some supplies, maybe some cute stamp sets. There's a lot of clearance on their websites. They have some beautiful things that you may love. And I'm going to show you some of the catalogs that I received that are in here. If you know a maker, then absolutely support them and place an order. I think that's the best way we can share our kindness. They get a little bit of a kickback financially, which really helps them out, and that they know that there is a community outside of Close to My Heart that still loves and appreciates them. I know all of you who follow me on the Quilting Camper know that my pure mission here is to share kindness. Where can we make a difference? And I want to say that I'm really proud that being a part of Stampin' Up, that the CEO of Stampin' Up made a really wonderful tribute video about this. And I want to thank Stampin' Up for recognizing the greatness of how important it is for us to be kind to one another and to share and support one another. No matter what company we work for, we're all here together. We all love sharing creativity with each other. That's what we do to make a difference. Let's go ahead and unbox the goodies I got, because not only did I want to place an order with a maker, but I love the things I ordered and I think you'll enjoy it too. As kind of an extra bonus, I will make a card making video using some of the tools I got in here. So that'll be kind of a fun thing to look forward to as well. Let's look to see what I got from close to my heart. I was all excited because they sent me a seasonal catalog as well as a full line catalog. So this is their seasonal catalog. They come out every 2 months, which is kind of cool. I like it. One of my favorite stamp sets that I took advantage of, which is a whole suite, just like Stampin' Up. They have a suite page, and I really like how they lay out the theme of what the product is, and then some of the accessories over here, like the paper and so on. And I fell in love with the bunnies. You guys, I have a soft heart for cutesy stuff, I have to admit. And then these are the stamp sets that I fell in love with right away, right there. Aren't they adorable? I have a Brothers Scan and Cut, so I don't need to buy the frames to cut these out. That saved me a little extra money. I'll have to say Brothers Scan and Cut has saved me from buying a lot of dies, which I'm really excited about. But there are certain dies that are necessary to buy. And what I like is that you notice it was scrapbooking for the first couple pages. This is the card making kit. So they actually do separate kits for scrapbooking and then for card making. But I got a seasonal catalog. And then I got a mainline catalog. It's so beautiful. I'm a sucker for colors. I love really pretty colors, and their colorway is beautiful. Sort of reminded me of the Paper Source colors a little bit. Look at this, they even have a nice color wheel. I love this. Isn't that great? Yeah. So the catalog, it says until August of 2024. Sadly, it's till the end of June. So I did order that stamp set with the bunnies. It's so cute. Now they do a clear stamp. It's an acrylic stamp. They're a little bit of a higher quality. I know that they're good. And then this was the other stamp set that kind of partnered with that. It's really cute. I like the wreaths and some of the florals. That'll be fun for coloring. And then when you placed a $50 order or more, you got the stamp of the month for $5. And this was the stamp for the month. I just think this is adorable. The little chickadees. And I got this for $5 after placing $50 or more. And then I ordered one more stamp set because you know how much I love floral designs, and these just kind of caught my eye. Get something kind of fun that I can make all occasion cards with. As you know, I'm not a scrapbooker. I can make a scrapbook page. I'm really good at that, but my talents are in card design. I got all these stamps in here for just around $50. What a great deal, huh? And then I decided to purchase these. They're actually die cut tags, and it looks like they're laser cut and you just punch them out. I was watching some videos from other makers on YouTube and they were ranting and raving about this. And it's a nice thick cardstock. It's really nice, very durable, and you can stamp directly on them and make some tags. Not have to punch anything out. They're just ready to pop out with your finger because they have like little retention marks in here, so when you punch them out they just come right out. Really nice. I think it was only $5. That's a good deal too. I went to order the paper that went with this cute stamp set. By the time I placed my order, it was all sold out. So I compensated. I decided to go to my local scrapbook store. It's about 30-40 miles away. It's called Polka Dots and More. They're in McGuanago, Wisconsin. And I'm a huge fan of Doodlebug. And so I found these cute papers, and you know this is my green. I love this green, it's so pretty. It has plaid on the other side, which is what I liked. So I picked up those papers to sort of coordinate with those stamps. I kind of went nuts over the Peep bunnies. Aren't those adorable? Jelly beans, I mean look at these colors. Doodlebug has always got some fun colors. And of course, I thought of my mom right away. She loves cats. Look at how cute those are. You guys, these are so much fun. I had to get the puffy stickers that look like little carrots and peat bunnies and jelly beans, and I apologize for the ring light, you guys. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. Doodlebug is adorable. And then of course I had to pick up some coordinating ribbon. And I found some cute green ribbon with polka dots on it, and I love this gingham ribbon with the pink. It's perfect for Easter and spring. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get those from my Close to My Heart Maker website just because Close to My Heart had been sold out of their paper and their enamel embellishments of that particular color. So I went to my local scrapbook store called Polka Dots and More. It's always sad to see things go. And we know that as a result, an evolution will occur and something better will come. But the thing is that our makers, the people who have created their business around the Close to My Heart business model and all their inventory, are going to have to figure out what they want to do after the close of business occurs. A part of selling a product and being in direct sales, it kind of like, it's your livelihood. It supports you. As a person who does direct sales, I have done Tupperware most of my adult life. I've been doing Stampin' Up since 2008. I've done Fun Stamper's Journey, which was another stamping company that came to a close in 2017. I've done Christmas Around the World, which is no longer in business. I've done a lot of direct sales in my lifetime. And when you put a lot of work into it and purchase a lot of inventory and you create a clientele and you have a following on social media, what do you do when there's nothing to sell? I know a lot of these people have well-established YouTube channels, they have blogs, they have Facebook pages, and no matter what they decide to do in the future, people will still follow and support them. And for that, I am very grateful because they work so hard to bring you creative content. Just like me. But I'm not going to take that credit. I have a YouTube channel because I like to share with you what I love, but I love doing this, so I can't necessarily say that I'm losing anything. If I were to say I'm no longer with Stampin' Up, I would be able to shift my gears and continue to do my quilting and my photography and unboxings. But I hope not. I like being with Stampin' Up, but there might be some changes in the future and I'll let you guys know. Anyway, share some kindness. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to look up on the Close to My Heart website and find your local maker. You're going to do it by putting in your address. And it's going to create a list of people that are in your area. And just choose one. Don't worry about who it's going to go to. Let's make this a trend and try to support those people that are makers that still have a business until the end of May. We have some time to make a difference. And if you love crafting and stamping like I do, you will find something on that website that will be wonderful. Follow me over to there and I will see you on my computer. I'm going to go do a Google search and type in Close to My Heart. Click on the link in the Google search. And on the website, you're going to locate Find a Maker in the upper left-hand corner. In here, you're going to type in your address. And please note this is not my personal address. And you will see a list of local makers in your area. I'm going to choose Amy. And now you're going to see that you're shopping with Amy in the top of the screen, highlighted in blue. From here, I'm going to select Promotions and show you the product of the month. This is the one that's $5 with a $50 purchase or more. I do believe there will be one for April and May. And of course, this is where you shop. You'll see plenty of really cool accessories, stamp sets, scrapbook paging. And also we've got clearance, and you will find some amazing deals here. Please go ahead and try supporting your local maker and find some fun things for yourself. And that's it. Welcome back. I hope that made some sense. Remember, the difference that we can make right now is what we can do in the present. Please remember to support one another. Whether you decide to support a maker from Close to My Heart that's local to you, or just a friend that's next door that's selling doTERRA essential oils, or maybe a friend of yours that is into Tupperware. Those are their livelihoods. That's their career. They have made those ways of incurring income. I know people that work 2 jobs to make a living. Whenever something closes or shuts down, it's kind of like you showing up to your job the next day and then your boss telling you, we're closing our operations in a couple months, so you'll have to figure something else out. It's a shock to your system. It's something you have to create adaptability for, and it's hard to do that. So remember that somebody is there that will benefit from your support. Just check it out. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for listening. I'm sorry this was a little bit more of a somber note, but I really wanted to share with you how important it is to keep sharing kindness in any way possible, even if it's just to purchase something from a website, from someone else's business. It's the little things in life that make life special. And when I got this card, I was thrilled to death that Amy had thought of me as one of her customers, even though she has no idea who I am, to send me a thank you card. Just like when I send my customers from Stampin' Up! A thank you card. It just makes the world better. Okay, everyone, if you love what you see here and you enjoy my content, remember, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It helps me so much when you do that. I know that a lot of you loved my card making video. I already have 90 views on it, and it's only been up on the internet for about 2 to 3 weeks. I so appreciate you. Why don't you leave a comment in a way that you can make a difference in sharing and caring for someone else? I love to hear from you, and I love to communicate with you. That's why I have this YouTube channel, to make friends and build connections. Also, remember to find me on my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. I am just starting to update my pages so you can learn more about what's going on in my creative universe. And of course, as it starts to get warmer here in Wisconsin, I am planning my first quilting camping trip, hopefully at the beginning of June. Thank you so much for joining me today. I so appreciate you, and have an incredible night. Bye for now. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.